Welcome back, guys. This is day 197 of our daily blog challenge. I hope all you are doing amazing. And if you are new here, my name is Khush Goiner, and on this channel, I am documenting my everyday life, trying to become a better version of myself one day at a time. Some days are full of adventure, while other days are just simple and ordinary. And honestly, I think those ordinary days are just as important because this was that real life actually looks like how this real life looks like. So today I woke up around 9 a.m. uh, I had time to get ready, so and mentally prepare myself for work. By around 10 p.m. I started working. uh, Around at 11 p.m. we had our daily stand-up meeting with the team. We discussed everyone was working on shared update and planned the task of the day. After the meeting, I got straight back into the work. The rest day was just pretty normal. Like no major issues, no exciting news, no crazy stories. Just focusing on completing my tasks. Sometimes that's exactly how life is. Every day doesn't have to be like filled with something extraordinary. Most process actually come from these quiet days and consistent days where you simply sit down and do what need to be done. Around like 2 p.m. I took my little break for lunch. After eating, I got back to my work, continued until 7 p.m. It was a productive day overall, and I'm happy that I was able to finish everything I planned. Once work was over, it's was time for something equally important, taking care of my health. And I started by doing my workout. I Along with my workout, I also managed to complete my 10,000 steps goal of the day. Reaching that milestone every day has become a habit now, and honestly it feels great knowing that I'm staying active even after spending most of my day sitting on front of a computer. By around like 8 p.m. I finished my workout. It was pretty tiring, but also satisfied because no matter how busy work gets, I'm trying my best not to skip my fitness routine. Small efforts every single day eventually lead to like big changes. uh, After that, I had dinner with my family. Those moments are honestly some of the best part of my day. No matter how busy life becomes, sitting together, taking talking about random things, laughing with each other, and just spending time with the family is something I really value. So we spent time together until like 10 p.m. and after that I decided to have a little self-care time. Sometimes self-care doesn't have to be anything fancy. It can be simply means taking break from screen, relaxing, or just closing your eye and lying down on the bed, or maybe a little time to spend with yourself. I think we all need that every once in a while. And now here I am recording this vlog because I want to end this day. Today's vlog wasn't packed with exciting event. Most of my days are like this, but I still want to share it because this challenge isn't about showing only the highlights. It's about documenting a real life of a college student. Was a college student, but the time when I started I was a college student. So not only the productive day but also the boring day, difficult days, failed days, success days, happy days, sad days, and every single day become a memory. And one day I will be amazing to look back on these, see how far this journey has come, to look at my old self, my old looks maybe, or to at least compare myself with myself in the future. If you're also like working toward your goals, whether it's fitness, study, your career, or anything else, just remember that consistency beats motivation. That is always I have I said. You don't need an exciting day you to make progress. You just need to keep showing up. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey. Every like, every comment, and every subscriptions motivate me to continue making these daily vlogs. Even if you do or if you do not like or subscribe, I will continue uploading till 1 year if I am able to, and I will definitely continue this. And if you have enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know how your day went. I generally love reading your comments. I see you all tomorrow with day 198. Until then, take care, stay happy, keep chasing your dreams, stay healthy. Tata, bye bye.